Hello, everybody. So my name's Tiara Opisanao, and I've been an intern here at ELP for the last year and in 2022. And I'm going to be talking about Canva and language revitalization. But first, I'm going to give a background, and then we'll go into how to use Canva. So the first question is, what is Canva? And pulling directly from their website, it is a free-to-use online graphic design tool. It has many ready-made templates, which are very easy to use. There is a free and a paid version. Even though there is a paid version, the free version is very good. It has many features, and the various templates that are available are almost endless. I find myself when I'm using Canva, I'm overwhelmed by the selection that I have, even with the free version. So I will show you what is Canva later on. So why use Canva for language revitalization? If you look to the right, this is the Endangered Language Project Instagram. As you can see, there's already a theme you can notice if you scroll down more, if you go on their social media page, sorry, you can see that there's a common theme amongst all of the social media posts, and all of those are actually made in Canva, and many other organizations also use Canva. It's just very easy to use in general. And like I said, social media and language revitalization, it's Canva really saves you a lot of time. And then not only related to social media, you can also create posters to advertise events. Maybe you have classes or info session. You have the ability to choose a template and make a poster for those. And what I will be showing you today is a word of the day, how to make a template for that one. It's free, well, mostly free. But as you will find while we're making this Canva post, is that even the free version has a lot of selections. It is very user friendly. It doesn't have a really big learning curve. You can kind of just make a quick post in 5 minutes if you really wanted to. And in overall, the opportunities with Canva and language revitalization are almost endless. Like I will be showing you here. Let's go on to Canva. Here is Canva. So we have all of these selections. What will you design today? We can make a video, a website. I've never used that function before, but it must be wonderful. Presentation, a document, and then you can even scroll down here. You can make so many invitation, even a Facebook cover if you really wanted to, and resume. But what we're going to be focusing on today is social media. So let's start from the very opening page of Canva, okay? So our goal today is to create a word of the day on Canva, and we can make it as just a PDF or a video. I'll be showing you both. So we're going to click on Create a Design. And I personally like to use the square, the Instagram post square, because it is a perfect square, and I think it's very can be really used anywhere. But you can choose whatever orientation you like. Square. So it'll bring us to this next page. And we are met with a blank page. And if you're really ambitious, you can create your own template from scratch. But if you look to the left, there are many templates here that we can choose from. Let's choose this one, okay? This one is free. So one thing to keep in mind is the ones that have the little pro are for people who paid for the paid Canva Pro. So try to choose one that does not have the little pro symbol at the bottom. So here we are with this beautiful template. Let's say that you really like the color green. I love the color green, so we're going to go with green. This one here is going to be where the word of the day, the word will be. So the language we're going to be using today is Cree, since that is what I speak, Nahiawewin. And the word of the day shall be moose, mooswa. But I don't really like this this text, this font. So we're gonna choose a new font here. I feel like I quite like let's go with something very simple. How about Tenor Sans? And let's make it not lopsided like that and straight. Muswa. Okay, that is how you say moose in Cree. But we want to have a word of the day here, so people know what this is about, and it just doesn't say moose at the top. So we're going to insert a text here. So you're going to want to go to the left bar, text, add a heading, and put word of the day. Yeah, word of the day. We're going to bring it up. And as you can see, the fonts don't really match, but you can play around with the colors if you want. You're just going to want to click on text color and choose as you please. I think I will just keep it as black. And I'm also going to match the fonts. So because this one is Tenor Sans, we will also make this one Tenor Sans. And of course, we want to have the translation at the bottom. So a muswa is a moose. We will put moose there. Let's make it bigger so it is more clearer. And you can, if you feel like you are happy with this, you can leave it as is and move on. However, I feel like we need to glam it up a bit and make it a bit more exciting and beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to play around with these words to make them more fun. So we're going to click on position, sorry, not position, effects. And I quite like this curve feature. There's many, okay, let's remove the curve feature first. And let's go by each style that we can choose from. Shadow, lift, you can have neon, a glitch, a splice, echo, but I like to just keep it simple, and we will have a curve. And let's make it a bit more like that and bring it up. Yes, I think that is beautiful. And actually, I feel like I really want to have a circle. So this is where we're moving on to the fun part of Canva. We're going to click on elements, and we are greeted by all of these wonderful shapes and even pre-made stickers, which are all beautiful and free to use. But for now, I am looking for a circle, so I will Google circle. What kind of circle are we looking for? A photo. A graphics. Let's use a graphics. I feel like I really like this one up here. Again, keep an eye out for whether they have Canva Pro or not. These ones are all free, thankfully, so we can choose one as we please. I like this one a lot. We will make it into this. It really looks like a brand. I like it. So we're gonna change the color of this, maybe to white. Is white too much? No, white is perfect actually. Maybe maybe yellow. Yellow is probably best. So yes, you can play around with these. Moose. Moose swap moose. And you can also change the transparency, whether you want it to be there, like very clear or not. And then we are going to look for more graphics. So we're gonna go look at the other graphics, see what it has to offer. We can add more flowers if you feel like flowers are your theme, or maybe you feel like the flowers are a bit too much. So you can also remove them. But I feel like they're very lovely, so I will keep them in for now. We're going to look at the recommended. They really want us to use, that is very lovely. Let's use this flower instead. We're going to put it to the corner. Again, it's completely up to you how you want to design your template. Do however you please. I'm just kind of messing around and choosing what I think is best. Again, look here to the bottom. You can see these are all pro, and you can use them if you have Canva Pro, but for now we will ignore them. Here's another flower. Let's remove this one. Oh, my bad. We're going to put this flower up in the corner and then go send it to the back. But then, oh my goodness, we cannot see the text word of the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to add a backing. So effects, background. Okay, I don't like the color yellow. So we're going to change it to, which color shall we change it to? Maybe a bit of yellow as well. And then we're going to mess around with the transparency. I don't really like that, so we're going to remove it. See, this is the thing with Canva. You can do whatever you think is the most suits you, suits your needs. Okay, and here it is. Again, this is the most basic. Also, if you want to include like what language in there, like maybe I want to put somewhere that it's Cree, you can, let's just do that for fun. So we're gonna again go to text and add a sub. No, let's not add a sub. We'll add a little body of text. Bring it down and then go plains Cree. And we're gonna match the font to Tenor Sans. And also change the text color to match everything else. Yes. And this is what we have. I'm just going to position it a bit. Okay, and again, if you want, you can leave it like it is, or we can keep playing with the elements because I think the elements are so much fun. And another cool function of Canva too is you can add something called a where is it? Frames. So let's add a photo frame. Maybe we want to add a picture of a moose. So we are going to add a picture of a moose here. Or maybe we want this to be the background. Let's see how that turns out. Let's go back. So we're just going to remove this yellow background temporarily and have this here. And you're probably wondering, what is this? It doesn't look nice at all, but you will see what I will do in a second here. Let's position it first. Okay, that's good enough for me. Let's look for moose. This is a free photo of a moose, so we will do that. Yes, here is a moose. But then again, we're stuck with the issue of not being able to see the text. Not an issue, not a problem at all. We can add a border, and I just want it to be a white border, so we will change the color to white. Background, white. Background, white. And yes, this is what we have. However, I don't like the moose picture, so we're gonna remove it again, unfortunately. And I liked it just simple as it was. But yes, you can totally add your own picture. In fact, I think I will add a moose. Let's choose a cute moose. I think that we can add this one for now. Oh, it's very huge. We need to resize it. Just to put at the bottom here. And let's add something else. One more thing, okay? Just to wrap it, bring it all in together, okay? Okay, let's not add something else, but I have another cool feature that we can add, okay? It's because it is a word of the day, maybe we want to add a video or an audio file of you pronouncing the word of the day so people know. You can also leave it as is, so let's save it as a let's just say we're done. We want to just make a picture, a PDF post. So we can go to download and save it as a PNG. And we can download it. Yes, this is what it will look like. I think it's very cute and adorable. And yes, so you can leave it as is. But let's go back to Canva. So we can also have it as a video. Another feature, before I show you the different feature, I'll show you how you can have this as a video. So one of the things I like to do if I am using a video, making a video, is I like to use, before downloading it, is clicking on this little animation pan, and it kind of animates everything into frame very beautifully and very cute. You can choose whatever you like, whatever matches your theme, your vibe. I quite like, which one do I like? I like this one, the pop. I think it's very cute. So let's this is what we have. So let's go to share. We want this as a video, MP4 video download. Okay, and it's gonna download for a bit. Okay, so this is the video that we just made. It is very cute, and I would love to use it right this moment. I especially love the little moose there, but we can also level this up even more. So let's go back to Canva, and we are back here. So we want to have file, we want to add audio. We can go to text, not text, sorry, uploads, and record yourself. This, okay, you're gonna see my face, so don't mind my face. There I am. Sorry for the jump scare. Let's move this here maybe to the center, and we will record. Can I just do video only? I mean, sound only. There we go. Turn camera. But then it's my face. Okay, let's turn camera on. Sorry. Muswa. I didn't pronounce it right. Okay, whatever. Muswa. Okay, yeah, we're leaving it at that. You know, we're not perfectionists here. Well, we kind of are, but you know. Okay, and you can choose it as you please. You can also add audio. You can upload a file. So let's say you recorded yourself saying Muswa, and you can click the file and upload it yourself. Okay, so we're getting carried away. Let's download this as it is, but it's so short. I quite Muswa don't like it. Okay, so I figured out how to make it to be a longer video, because right now it's only at 2.7 seconds, which is not long at all for a video. So what we're going to want to do is to duplicate the page. Actually, before you duplicate the page, let's remove the animation. So click on here and remove animations. So we're going to duplicate the page now, 1, 2, and then do it one more time, or do it as many times as you want. But as you can see, it's now at 8.1 seconds, which I think is perfect for a video. Muswa. Especially for a word of the day. Muswa. So now we're going to want to kind of make it more fun. So we're going to add animations once again. So animate, and make sure you're clicking on element animations on this one. Choose one that you please, that you like. I think we will choose the pop again because the pop is so cute, but we're only going to want to do it on enter. Okay, and then again, we're going to want to go on the last page, animate, pop, but on exit. And now let's see it all together. Muswa. 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 And I think it's perfect. So now we can once again download our word of the day. Click on download. And again, you have all these options. If you want it to just be like a photo, then choose a PNG or JPEG. But because it is a video, we will do MP4 download, and I will come back to you when it's done downloading. So yes, welcome back. Here is the video that I just made. Muswa. 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 And in fact, these are very simple Canva posts, and we can just end it here. I think we may end it here, this Canva tutorial. But you can be as creative as you want. That's what I wanted to say. When you click on the elements section, there are so many things to choose from. Lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos even. You can add a video if you want. You can choose whatever you want. So let's go. Let me show you before we finish. These are all pros, so I don't think we can use them, but I will show you an example. You can add a video of a moose if you want to as well. Maybe you want to like demonstrate, or you can add your own video actually. Uploads. You can upload a file and choose your own video, photo, and add it to this Canva post. I highly recommend, if you're going to add a photo or video, to use this, what I showed you earlier, the frames, because it just makes it much more cleaner and sleeker. Or even a grid if you want to include multiple photos. And you can use these free little graphics that come with Canva. I think they're so adorable. And also, what else is in this section here? More graphics. Tables. I've never used the tables, but I'd imagine they are very handy. Even the charts, I've never used them. But yes, the opportunities are endless. And I will end this Canva tutorial here. And I hope that you will have fun to make your own Canva posts and using ELP's social media as reference. Here, these are all made on Canva. As you can see, the opportunities truly are endless. So yes, I wish you good luck on your Canva making journey. And if you ever want to have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Or if you want feedback, I will be here and I will paste my email and contact information. And thank you and good luck on your Canva making journey.